Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and in here we should see somewhere Do Not Disturb mode. Now if you don't see one, which I don't, we can then hopefully add it by tapping right here on this pencil. And let's see somewhere below if we have any. So it is added by default, I just didn't see it. Okay. There it is. So yeah, I'm just kind of blind. Anyway, once you see this toggle, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings, or you can customize how it is set by default, which I do recommend doing at least once when you're setting this up for the very first time. Even if you're not planning to change any of the settings in here, just look at them how they're set by default. So going quickly into more important sections in the settings, we have people, which will allow you to select who can call you and message you. We have schedule, which allows you to set it up so it automatically turns on and off at a provided day of the week and time. And then we have duration for quick settings. Now this will allow you to set it up so whenever you press on the toggle yourself, it gives you two options here. So until turn off, which is the default one, and also time specific, or basically it brings up these two options every time you press on the toggle. Now what I do recommend setting up if you are the type of person that tends to forget about, for instance, your Do Not Disturb mode running, I'd recommend changing it to a specific time and then make it, for instance, like 5 hours or so. However you see, however you think you would need in most of the circumstances. So just make sure that it's a little bit more than what you need, and at that point, if you forget about it after a specific amount of hours, it will automatically turn off, and this will be set right now. If I confirm it, it will always turn on for 5 hours. Now if I would select the ask every time, it would give me the option to change the amount of hours or until I turn off. So there we go, those are the settings that I would recommend changing. Now let's go into enabling it, which you do just by simply tapping on it like this. And because I have it timed specific, it tells me till what time it's going to be running till. So right now it's going to be running till 9:50 p.m. So there we go. And if you're planning to use it on a schedule, then all you need to do is just make sure that the schedule is enabled in here by toggling on like this. And that's it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.